जाने कहाँ छुप के बैठा है खुदा। जानू ना मैं कब हुआ खुद से गुमशुदा। कैसे जीऊं रूह भी मुझसे है जुदा। क्यों मेरी राहें मुझसे पूछे घर कहाँ है। क्यों मुझसे आके दस्तक पूछे घर कहाँ है। राह ऐसी जिनकी मंजिल है नहीं। ढूंढो मुझे अब मैं रहता हूँ वहीं। दिल है कहीं और धड़कन है कहीं। सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं।
देखो बच्चे लोग को कैसा कवर करेंगे देखो।
The monsoon came early that year, bringing with it fierce storms and strong winds. The peaceful mountain village was suddenly transformed by nature's fury. Trees bent in the howling winds, rain fell in torrents, and everyone hurried to find shelter. But Binya was caught outside when the storm struck. Oh no! The wind is so strong today. My beautiful umbrella is being pulled on this way and that way. Oh no! It's torn. My beautiful umbrella is ruined. The silk is ripped and the frame is bent. All the beauty is gone, destroyed by this terrible storm. What can I do now? I have no umbrella and no tiger's claw pendant either. So, the beautiful umbrella is broken at last. The storm has done what I could not do. It has taken the umbrella away from Binya. But wait, maybe this is my chance. Maybe I can fix this delicate thing if I try very carefully. The frame can be straightened and the silk can be mended. I have a needle and thread and I know how to work with my hands. What kind of man have I become? Jealous of a little girl's happiness? She was so kind to everyone, shared her joy freely, and I only thought of myself and my own wanting.
है सुना ये पूरी धरती जो भी रस्में हैं वो सारी मैं निभाता हूँ, इन करोड़ों की तरह मैं सर झुकाता हूँ। भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू।
That good as new, better than you, even because it's been mended with love and repentance.
Ram Bharosa worked through the entire night, carefully mending the umbrella with love, patience, and skill he had forgotten he possessed. For the first time in weeks, his heart felt light and peaceful again. Good morning, Ram Bharosa uncle. I hope you slept well despite the terrible storm last night. Now the sun is shining again, but my heart is still feeling cloudy.
Binya, I heard about the umbrella and I can see the sadness in your eyes. You look like you have lost your best friend.
Now I have no umbrella and no tiger's claw either. I've lost both my treasures. I feel so empty and sad. Maybe I should have listened to you.
Binya, my dear child, sometimes broken things can be made beautiful again. Look carefully at what I have here for you.
My umbrella! It's my beautiful blue umbrella! You fixed it perfectly. The silk look even more beautiful than before, and the frame is perfectly straight again.
Because I was terribly wrong, Binya. I was jealous about your happiness. Instead of sharing your joy like a good neighbor should, you taught me that true wealth lies in contentment, not in possessing beautiful things. Fixing your umbrella helped me fixing something broken in myself. Your sadness made me understand how cruel I had been.
Please take it. This beautiful umbrella is yours now. You have earned it. You need something beautiful in your life too. The umbrella will be happy and safe with you.
What? No, child, I can't accept this. I fixed it for you to return it to its rightful owner.
Uncle, happiness shared is happiness doubled. That's what my grandmother always told me.
Binya, your heart is bigger than the mountains around us. I will carry this umbrella with pride, not because it's beautiful, because it reminds me of amazing kindness. You restored my faith in human goodness.
Look, Rambara says learn something important today. What a beautiful lesson about forgiveness and generosity. Little Binya has shown us all what it means to have a truly generous heart. so the blue umbrella found its true home, not with someone who merely wanted for its beauty, but with someone who had learned to appreciate the greater gifts of generosity, forgiveness, and human kindness.
The most beautiful things in life are not the objects we own, but the love, kindness, and forgiveness we share with one another.
True treasures cannot be bought or sold. They can only be given freely from the heart.
When we learn to give without expecting anything in return,
We discover the greatest wealth of all.